Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove or you can say replace old caulking at your kitchen countertops. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, you see here this caulking is damaged. You see it's now coming out, okay, and that is why you see some more another thing. So very first part is I first let it dry. Once it is dried completely, we have to remove, and in order to remove I'm going to use a utility knife. With a good utility knife you can just scratch and it's going to go away. You see it's coming out. So you can keep doing it and you should remove it, okay. Next step is selecting a good caulk that we are going to use. For this sealant I am going to use this DAP Quick Seal Ultra, okay, and this is specialized for kitchen, bath and plumbing, okay. So of course, like, read instructions, safety, and it's always good to put on gloves, okay, that you use. And see, it's a white color I used. It's also available in transparent, okay. And I have got a Avril caulking gun too. So I'm gonna make a cut using this and then I'm gonna load it. So now after the cut is made, you can do simple caulking at 45 degrees angle. You see how gentle it is. I did it. Now I'm gonna do it this area too. Okay. If you are leaving some gaps, don't worry, we can fix it later. So once you have applied it, in order to smoothen it, there are sophisticated tools, like you can say caulking tool, and it comes with so many, but I'm gonna use a domestic item, a spoon. How it works is that like this. Let me show it to you. You see, oh, see how it is smoothing it out. Perfect. It took some, but it smoothed it out. So with this also you can smoothen. It's very easy, and then let it dry properly as per the given recommended time for it to settle. That's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.